Farming efficiency and productivity depend significantly on the tools used for soil preparation. In Nigeria, many farmers still rely on manual hoeing, a traditional method passed down for generations. However, with the rise of petrol-powered tillers, farmers now have an option that promises to save time and labor while improving soil quality. In this guide, we will compare petrol-powered tillers versus manual hoeing in key aspects such as cost, efficiency, maintenance, soil impact, and safety. This article will help Nigerian farmers decide which method best suits their farming needs, while also guiding them on where to buy affordable petrol-powered tillers. Time-saving petrol tillers can prepare large portions of land in minutes, unlike manual hoeing, which is time-consuming. Labor efficiency reduces the need for excessive manual labor, allowing farmers to focus on other farming activities. Better soil aeration. The powerful tilling action of a petrol tiller improves soil structure, which promotes better crop growth. Higher crop yield. Well-tilled soil enables better root penetration and nutrient absorption, leading to increased productivity. Less physical strain. Unlike manual hoeing, which requires significant effort, petrol tillers are easy to operate with minimal strain. For small-scale farmers, the initial cost of petrol tillers may seem high, but over time, they reduce labor expenses and increase productivity, making them a cost-effective investment. Land coverage. A petrol tiller can cover 1 acre in 1 to 2 hours while manual hoeing can take days. Precision and depth. Petrol tillers can till up to 12 inches deep, ensuring proper soil aeration while manual hoes only go 3 to 5 inches deep. Soil preparation for different crops. Mechanized tilling ensures even soil preparation, making it ideal for cassava, maize, and vegetable farms. If you are considering investing in a petrol tiller, here are some top recommendations. Honda FJ500 tiller. Durable and powerful, ideal for medium to large farms. Style MH710 petrol tiller. High efficiency and easy handling. Husqvarna TF230. Tiller. Great for small-scale farmers looking for affordability and performance. Cayman C8. Tiller, heavy-duty machine with excellent soil penetration. When purchasing a tiller, consider engine power, fuel efficiency, and spare parts availability in Nigeria. Assess your farm size. Small farms may require compact tillers, while larger farms need high-powered tillers. Set a budget. Invest in a model that offers long-term benefits without overspending. Learn usage and safety tips. Get proper training on how to operate and maintain your tiller. Purchase from reliable suppliers. Ensure you buy from reputable dealers who offer warranties and after-sales service. Improves soil aeration, allows better oxygen circulation and root penetration. Enhances moisture retention, prevents soil compaction, improving water absorption. Better weed control, disrupts weed roots more effectively than manual hoeing. Potential soil erosion risk. Excessive tilling can lead to soil degradation if not managed properly. John, a farmer in Kaduna. I used to spend weeks preparing my land. With a petrol tiller, I finish in hours and get higher yields. Grace, a vegetable farmer in Ogun. Switching to a tiller saved me labor costs. My workers now focus on planting and harvesting. Petrol tillers, regular oil changes, filter cleaning and blade sharpening. Manual hose, occasional sharpening and replacement when worn out. A petrol tiller requires more maintenance, but its efficiency makes it worthwhile. You can buy high-quality, affordable petrol tillers from farmpays.com. Best deals on farm equipment. Farm Help Nigeria online retail option. Crushad Nigeria. Various models available. Local agricultural equipment dealers in major cities like Lagos, Abuja, and Kano.